Welcome, in front of me is a REALME X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the screen recording toggle. From here, simply tap on it, agree to anything that pops up and allow. And from here we have access to the, recording, so tap on the red circle to straight up start recording right now. You can also tap on the gear to go into the settings and the X to close it out. So I'm gonna quickly go into the settings. Now it looks like it just kind of pops up this panel right here. So we have a couple quick ones. So record system sound, record microphone sound. You can have both of them, although I wouldn't advise, assuming you're not using headphones. And then we also have more settings, which gives you, as you can see, a bunch of other settings from here. But going back to here, stop on the circle, and now whatever you will do will be recorded. Now once you're done, make sure you click on this square, and this will automatically save the recording, which can be found in your photo gallery right over here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.